Greetings from Middle East and North Africa Union. Hello, Yasmin.
Hi.
Today, Yasmin and I would like to share with you a very traditional dish from the Middle East. You know, we will share with you the Egyptian falafel, ta'miya. The Egyptian falafel, or the falafel in general, is well known in many of the countries in the Middle East, but with some differences in the recipe. Today we will share with you the Egyptian recipe. So Yasmin, would you please tell us the recipe?
We have 2 cups of dried split fava beans. We soak them in water overnight. We have a chopped onion, fresh coriander, fresh parsley, 5 cloves of garlic, ground coriander, cumin, salt, and sesame seeds.
Yes, and we'll have oil to fry. So we'll start. Yasmin, would you please help? We'll mix the ingredients and put them in the food processor.
Salt.
Yes. Here. Thank you, Yasmin. You know, kids, you can help mommy doing this, but in some parts that if you cannot do, you can have one adult with you to help you. And then from time to time you have to make sure to do like this to help the food processor. Look, Yasmin, it's almost ready. Okay, so how it looks like, Yasmin?
It looks like a dough now.
So what we'll do now, we'll add
The seasoning.
So do you remember?
Ground coriander,
Yes.
cumin,
What else?
salt.
And you know what we'll do? We'll mix it with our hands to make sure that, yeah, we have to mix it very well. You know, falafel, it's very rich. It has protein from what?
The beans.
Yes, and it has vitamins, iron from the vegetables and herbs, yes. Do you like falafel, Yasmin?
I love falafel.
Me too. And I hope that you will like it too. Just try it, okay? Now we'll start this. Yes, we'll do just a little bit. And then in this part of cooking, you have to have an adult with you because it's not safe to fry anything with oil and heat. So it's better to have an adult with you, not to do it by yourself. Can you fry, Yasmin? Oh, okay. Now look, it's coming. The color is so yummy and crispy. Yasmin, are you ready to make your sandwich?
I am so ready.
Okay. And do you know that in some places they make the falafel from the chickpeas instead of fava beans, like in Lebanon, I think in Syria and other places. Wow, it looks so yummy.
I'm so excited to eat.
You know, you can eat it in many different ways, of course, you know. So we have the Egyptian bread that we can just open and make your sandwich. So if you like to make it with the Egyptian bread, okay. And you can use also the flat bread or the Lebanese bread. Well, any type of flat bread if the Egyptian bread is not available. So you just do put some, it's optional also. We like to use the rocca, and you can add as much as you like. I like it with much rocca, and then you can put the falafel. You can cut it halves if you like this. And then put some tahina sauce. This is tahina sauce. Do like this. And then it comes the tomato. And you just grab it like this. So yummy. Or maybe I'll show you. And I will cut it. Oh, let me see yours, Yasmin. Wow, it's so yummy. Put it here. And you know, in some places you cannot find either flat bread or Egyptian bread, so you can use the baguette as well. And also you can use lettuce instead of rocca. It's optional. You eat it the way that you like it. And put the falafel like this, or even you can make it like burger. Yeah, falafel burger. And put the tahina sauce, and then the tomato. Oh, it's so yummy. And let me cut this one. Here we go. So, do you like it?
I love it.
Okay, thank you, Yasmin, for helping me. And I wish all my friends that they can try this recipe and try the Middle Eastern food and let us know. Thank you so much.
Bye.